National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near El Reno, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Concho, El Reno, and Okarshi. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 123 and 128. Take cover now. Leave mobile homes and vehicles. If possible, move to a basement or storm shelter. Otherwise, move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows and outside walls.
You're watching KOCO TV5, Oklahoma City. Now, live, local.